With practice 6.1, question number 9, 3x square minus 14x plus 15. You have to factorize this algebraic trinomial. Rule is the same. Do the product of the first term and the last term. First term is 3x square, last term is 15 is equal to 15 is a 45x square. Factorize this 45x square so that sum has to come the middle term. Middle term is plus 14x. So I will factorize this 45x square as 9 5s are 45, 9x and 5x plus 9 plus 5. So if I will do the addition at that time, this will come plus 14 and product has to come plus 45x square. If I will do the product at that time, that will come 45x square. This product is equal to same as the product of the first term and the last term. Then you have to write this. You have to write this algebraic expression 14x, only 14x you have to write in the form 9x plus 5x. 9x plus 5x is equal to 14x. Then from you have to do the group of the first two term, group of the last two term. Then from the you have to write the first two term in the product form and last two term in the product form. 3x square you will write as 3 multiplied by x multiplied by x. 9x you will write this as 3 into 3 into x. This 5x you will write as 5 multiplied by x. This 15 you will write as 5 multiplied by 3. From the first two terms you have to take out common. From the last two term you have to take out common. From the first two term you will take out 3x common. And from the last two term you have to take out 5 common. If 3x will come common, x plus 3 you have to write in the bracket. If 5 will come common, at that time x minus 3 will come, x plus 3 will come in another bracket. For this step, both the bracket has to come same and these are coming same. So take out x plus 3 common. At that time 3x plus 5 you have to write in another bracket. Then, so you have to say that the factors of 3x square plus 6 plus 14x plus 15 is equal to x plus 3 in one bracket and 3x plus 5 in another bracket. Then you have to start with the question number 10. In the question number 10, the example is 3x square plus 1x plus minus 45. Do the product of the first term and last term. 2x square multiplied by minus 45 is equal to minus 90x square. Factorize this 90x square such that minus 90x square such that sum has to come middle term. This I will do the factors. 10 9s are 90. I want middle term plus 1x, so I will give the bigger number as plus sign and smaller number as minus sign, and the factors are plus 10x minus 9x is equal to 1x, and product is plus 10x multiplied by minus 9x is equal to minus 90x square. Then so you have to write this expression as it is, only instead of 1x you have to write this as plus 10x minus 9x. So you have to do the group of the first two term, do the group of the last two term. Write first two term in the product form. So 2x square you will write 2 into x into x. 10x you will write 2 into 5 into x. 9x you will write 9 into x. 45 you will write 9 into 5. Do the from the first two term you have to take out common. Here 2x will come common. When 2x will come common, at that time x plus 5 is remain. You have to write in another bracket. From the last two term you have to take out 9 common, means minus 9 common. If minus will come common, at that time change the sign of the last term. This minus become plus. For this step both the bracket has to come same and these are coming same. So x plus 5 you have to write in one bracket and 2x minus 9 you have to write in another bracket. So 2x square plus 1x minus 45 is equal to x plus 5 in one bracket and 2x minus 9 in another bracket. These are the factors of this algebraic trinomial. Then 20x square minus 26x plus 8. Next example is 11x example. So you have to do the product of the first term and the last term. 20x square multiplied by 8 is equal to 160x square. Factorize 160x square. So if you are not able to find out the factors at that time, by the factorization method you have to do the factorization. 2 divided by 160 is equal to 80. 2 divided by 80 is equal to 40. 2 divided by 40 is equal to 20. 2 divided by 20 is equal to 10. 2 divided by 10 is equal to 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. And choose the proper products, proper factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 2 5s are 10. Means 16 10s are. So I will write this as 16 10s are. Middle term has to come minus. So I will give the minus sign to 16 and minus sign to 10. So minus 16x minus 10x is equal to minus 26x. Minus 16x multiplied by minus 10x is equal to plus 160x square. So you have to write the factors of minus 26x as minus 16x minus 10x. So you have to do the group of the first two term, do the group of the last two term. Write the first two term in the product form, write the last two term in product form. From the first two term, I will take out 4x common. In the same manner, from the last two term, you have to take out 2 common. If I will take out 4x common, at that time 5x minus 4 is remaining in the another bracket. Minus 2 you have to take out common. If minus will come common, at that time change the sign of the last term. This plus become minus. This will come minus 4. For this step, both the bracket has to come same and these are coming same. So you have to take out this bracket common. At that time 5x minus 4 in one bracket and 4x minus 2 in another bracket. But here in this factor, this 2 is present in 4x also and 2 is present here also. So I will write this as 2 multiplied by x minus 2 multiplied by 1. From this you have to take out 2 common. At that time the factors are 2x minus 4 in one bracket. In another bracket 2 into 2x minus 1. So I will write this as 2 into 5x minus 4 into 2x minus 1. These are the factors. Here you have to take out 2 common. If you will take out 2 common, at that time 2x minus 1 is remain. These factors of this is, right, first upon numeric term 2 multiplied by 5x minus 4 and after that 2x minus 1. These are the factors of this algebraic trinomial. Then here you have to start with the last example of this exercise. 44x square minus x minus 3. Minus x means minus 1x. So what you have to do? You have to do the product of the first term and last term. 44x square multiplied by 3 is equal to 132x square. It is very difficult to find out the factors of 132. You have to factorize 132 like this. And you have to choose the proper factors. I will do the product like this. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12. And this one is 11. 12 multiplied by 11 is equal to 132. So plus 12x minus 12x plus 11x plus minus 12x plus 11x. So I will do the sum. Minus 12x plus 11x is equal to minus 1x. So you have to write this 1x in the form minus 12x plus 11x. So you have to do the group of the first two terms and the group of the last two terms. First two term you have to write in the product form, last two term you have to write in the product form. From the first two term you have to take out 4x common. 4x common. Here also 4x will come common. And from the last two term, no one is common at that time, 1 is common. No one is common at that time, 1 is common. So this 1 will come common because here 11x and 3 no term will come common. So 11x you will write 11 multiplied by x and this 3 you will write 1 multiplied by 3. From the first two term you will take out 4x common. At that time 11x minus 3 is remain in another bracket. Plus 1 we will take out common. At that time 11x minus 3 will remain in another bracket. For this step both the bracket has to come same and these are coming same. You have to take out this bracket common. At that time 4x plus 1 you have to write in another bracket. Therefore I will say that 4x square minus 1x minus 3 is equal to 11x minus 3 and 4x plus 1. These are the factors of this algebraic trinomials. I think you understand all these things. All these things you have to write in the notebook properly. Thank you.